Hello everybody, and welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. Whom all do we have? 1 minute. Let me check. Why am I not getting the live chat yet? Am I live or not? Yeah, we are live, but okay, here we are. Hi Shan. Hi Anjali. Hi Rohit. Welcome to the session. Hi Sunayana. I'm doing great. I'm doing great. How are you guys doing? All good? All good? Okay. Hi, Krishna. Sana ma'am session is also going. Okay, that's awesome. Two sessions. Sadly, today is Black Day and people are celebrating something else. I know, Anshika. I know what you're talking about. I totally understand that. Okay. So, yes. So, welcome to the session, guys. I hope all of you had a blast of a day. So, here we are with the last session of the chapter mensuration. So, before we get started with that, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Haripriya and I will be your maths master teacher here on Vedantu. You can also follow me on Instagram. The handle is haripriya.vedantu. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new. First of all, if you are new, give me a fire emoji right now. I need to know how many newcomers are there here in the chat box today. How many newcomers today? Huh? How many of you are there? Vedantu Young Wonders per 100th class है 61th live and 39 recorded literally count कर रहा था. Oh my god, Vaibhav. Oh my god. Oh, Poonam, Garg, seven angels, Manya, Naveen, Monica, cold old icy. Oh, when Mohan sir married, that you have to ask Mohan sir only. Awesome. I can see a lot of fire in the live chat. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel right now. I can see 47 people live watching. Now, hit कौन करेगा? Who will hit the like button? Come on, hit the like button right now. 66 people live watching. That's amazing. Do not forget to share this video also with students or with your friends who think कि ना सिलेंडर का जो सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है वो बहुत ही मुश्किल है. अगर उनको ऐसा लगता है देन शेयर दिस वीडियो विद देम बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू मेक थिंग्स इजियर हियर. Right? So Supercase reward batches, a level up motivation for all you rock stars is here. In the last class, I don't know the name of the student, but it was, ma'am, how to change my badge to yours. So I'm expecting it is someone from the Vedantu platform, like one of my students from the Vedantu platform only. So yeah, I don't know who that is. And then at the bottom of the leaderboard, we had Nandini. So well done, Nandini. And the first one is ma'am, how to change my badge name. So yeah, hi Sapna. Let's move forward with the homework superstar. So the first one here is Anshika Rai. Very nice, Anshika. Good explanation here. Then we have Krishna Saraswat. इन्होंने इतना बड़ा comment लिखा. Like I literally took ages to read it through. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कृष्णा यहाँ पे ये गलत एक्सप्लेनेशन है बट दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन दैट यू गेव इज द करेक्ट वन. ठीक है. And yes, thank you so much for writing this part also. So awesome. Then we have gamer Avish who was super duper excited to come on the screen. Then we had Asfar, that is Tamim. Then we have Vaibhav who told this was an easy one and all. Good job, guys. Then we have Rakshesh Gupta. That is Radhika. I'm so sorry. इतना आसान नाम रख के मैंने पता नहीं क्या ही पढ़ रही हूँ. Then we have Radhika, Shrikant. Then we have Kanika. And yeah. So these are the top 10 people who have answered it all right. Good job, guys. तो ये जो ट्रेन आप देख रहे हो ये कहाँ जा रहा है? This is the last train to Vedantu. At the end, I'll tell you, but if you are new and you want to know it right now, give me a heart in the chat box. कौन किसको Vedantu join करना है and you want to score amazing marks in your final exams? Are you one of them? Yeah? Are you one of them? Yes? So this is the last train. इस train में बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती होगा. There are all the teachers of Vedantu, already a lot of students of Vedantu. तो ये क्या है? This is the final and the last crash course of Vedantu जो आज शुरू होने वाला है. ठीक है. दो बार join करूँ कर लो. So guys, this today is the last day of this final crash course that we're going to start off with. So what you have to do here is, all you have to do is go to the video which is happening right now. ये जो live video चल रहा है, इसके description box पे, in the description box you can see CBSE crash course, right? Click on that and enroll. Let me tell you something here. It is only for rupees. What? You can't even guess here. Look at this. 720 rupees only. And you use my coupon code YHPRO. You will be getting 28% off. ठीक है, सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा. फुल सिलेबस रिविजन आपका हो जाएगा. तो इस सेशन के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स या पिंड कमेंट्स में you can find it. Come join me and we will be having a lot of fun in that train. तो आज का सेशन प्लान क्या है? We will first see quote of the day. Then we'll be talking about surface area and volume of cylinder, the most requested topic. And then we're going to talk about Menti and then homework. ठीक है? So let us get started. Quote of the day. Maths is like going to a gym for your brain. It sharpens your mind. That's what maths does to your brain. Like you go to your gym, you tone your body, you become all fit and all, right? So you do maths, that's what happens to your brain. That's how amazing maths is. ठीक है? आप भी हो क्रैश कोर्स में? हाँ, of course, मैं भी हूँ क्रैश कोर्स में. So let's try some NCERT exemplar questions on surface area and volume of a cylinder. उससे पहले, for cylinder, these are the three important, formulas you have to learn. First one is lateral surface area. When do we say there is a lateral surface area? If you take a cylinder sort of thing, when you only take in consideration the curved surface, the top and the bottom is not there, it's hollow. So lateral surface area, or you can call it as curved surface area also. So that is 2 pi RH. So what is total surface area? Total surface area is when you are taking the curved surface and you're taking the bottom and the top also. When you're taking this curved surface, 2 pi RH and pi r square plus pi r square. What is pi r square? It is nothing but the area of this entire square. है ना? So that is 2 pi r multiplied by r plus h or h plus r. Then you have the volume, which is pi r square h. ठीक है? So these are the three important formulas you have to remember, and let's get started. So question number 11 is here. Ma'am, if you're thinking कि ma'am पहले 10 questions कहाँ है? So we have done this chapter into 3 parts. In the first 2 sessions, I've taken 5 and 5 questions. So go watch that session. In the last class, we have spoken about surface area and volume of cubes and cuboids. है ना? Yes. Krishna, thank you so much. Ma'am ate first 10 questions. हाँ, बहुत भूख लग रहा था तो मैंने खा लिया. And I'm full now. Hi, Mona Lisa. Thank you for all the hearts, bacha. Okay. चलो. The ratio between the curved surface area and the total surface area of a right circular cylinder is 1:2. Find the ratio between the height and the radius of the cylinder. So what are they asking here? What is the question about? They're telling that the ratio of the curved surface area and total surface area. Curved surface area का formula है 2 pi RH divided by the total surface area is 2 pi r multiplied with r plus h. है ना? तो यहाँ पे they are asking you to find the ratio between the height and the radius. So first let's write what is given here. So the ratio between the curved surface area by total surface area. So as you can see, this in the bottom, when you take 2 pi r common, you will be getting r plus h only. So they have just split it and they have written as 2 terms. Okay? So this is equals to 1/2. So here you cancel every other term. Okay, you cancel all the common terms here. So what are the common terms? 2 pi RH divided by 2 pi r multiplied with r plus h. है ना? 2 pi r cancel हो जाएगा. So you're only left with h divided by r plus h, which is equals to 1/2. That's how we got to this point. उसके बाद you have to do your cross multiplication. So 2h is equals to h plus r. So you send your h here, it will become h is equal to r. So what is the ratio when h is equal to r? Let it be anything. R can be 3, h will also be 3. So h by 3, the ratio of radius to the height or height to the radius will always be equal to 1:1. That's it. Okay, 1:1. Cool, cool. Hi Daksh, happy birthday. Chalo. Your next question is on your screen. A square sheet of paper is converted into a cylinder by rolling it along its side. तो एक square paper था, उसको along the side roll करके, suppose the side here is say A centimeters, A units. So they have rolled it along the side and they have transformed it into a cylinder. तो ये जो this part which is rolled is nothing but the circle here. Do you all agree? Give me a yo in the chat box. The side of the square is nothing but the circumference of the base and the height, the base and the top, and also that is this height of the cylinder. Do you all agree to here? Exactly. Good job. Good job. I'll get full marks in science, but failing for sure. None of the chapters are done. Okay, Anshika, I guess you have to talk to Surabhi ma'am for that. So yes, everybody knows it. Now, what are they telling? That the cylinder is made up of, 1 minute. So the cylinder is made up of a square sheet of paper along its side. So let's take the base radius of the cylinder to be R, and we know that the side of the square is A, right? So what do we know here? The perimeter of this base, okay, the circular base is equal to the side of the square. The side of the square is rolled and is made into a cylinder. So that side is nothing but the circumference of the base. Perimeter is nothing but the circumference. So what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. है ना? So that is equal to 2 pi r, which is equals to A, which is nothing but the side of the square. तो यहाँ पे what is the ratio of R by A, radius by side? It is equal to 1 by 2 pi. Because when you cross multiply, you will get back this again. So R by A, the ratio of radius by the side is 1:2 pi, right? So what did they ask here? Ratio of the base radius to the side of the square. That's what they asked. So what is the answer? It is 1:2 pi. That's it. That is it. Okay? Question बहुत difficult लग रहा था, but then look at the answer, how easy it is. है ना? So the ratio of the radius to the side of the square is 1:2 pi. Remember, pi is also a number. Cool? Your next question. The thickness of a hollow metallic cylinder is 2 centimeters. So this is a metallic cylinder and this part, guess, okay, that I'm drawing with black, this part is the thickness, which is 2 centimeters. It is 70 centimeters long, मतलब जो height यहाँ पे है, that is 70 centimeters, along with the outer radius, which is 14 centimeters. So if the outer radius is 14 and this part is 2 centimeters, what would be the inner one? The inner radius would be 12, because the outer radius is 14, the thickness is 2 centimeters. So 14 minus 2 will give you 12. So the outer radius is 14 centimeters and the inner radius is 12 centimeters and the height is given to be 70 centimeters. Now find the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder, assuming that it is open on both the ends. Matlab it is hollow. It is not covered, it is hollow. Also, find the weight of the metal if it weighs 8 grams per centimeter cube. Let's talk about this later. First, let's concentrate on find the volume of the metal used in making that cylinder. Okay? Now, what do we know here? Let the thickness of the cylinder, let T be the thickness, okay, which is already given to you, which is 2 centimeters. Let R1 be the outer radius, which is given to be 14 centimeters, and R2 is the inner radius, which is 14 minus 2, that is 12 centimeters. And height is given to be 70 centimeters. So whenever you have a question like this, first write down in your answer sheet everything that is asked, everything that is given in the paper. It's super duper important to write whatever is given in the paper, right? Now, what do we want here? We have got the inner radius. The total radius here is 14 centimeters. This part is the thickness. So when you remove that, you will be getting the inner radius, which is 12 centimeters that we have already got. Now, first what did they ask? Find the volume of the hollow cylinder. So how will you get that? It is nothing but the area of the two circular bases that you have, the two circles, because the thickness is very evident here, multiplied with the height of the cylinder. So you have to subtract the area of the base minus the smaller one. Okay, how do I tell you? Let me go back to this one. So here area of this entire this thing minus the area of the inner circle will give you the thickness, multiplied with the height will give you the volume. Okay, so this would only give you maybe the curved surface area, but if you multiply it with height, you will be getting the volume. Why did we do this? Because the cylinder is hollow and it has some thickness. So the thickness cannot be neglected here. That's why we have taken outer circle area minus inner circle area multiplied with the height, because we want the volume. So यहाँ पे से you can take pi common. R1 square is 14 square. R2 square is 12 square, because outer radius, inner radius. Now here what do we have here? Here it is a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. You can still try that, or directly if you know the square you can move forward. So here the height is 70. What is the value of pi? 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into 52 into 10. How did we get that 52? From this one. How did we get this? 14 square minus 12 square. Okay? So multiplied with 70, 7 into 1, 7 into 10. So 22 into 52 into 10 will give you 11,440 centimeter cube, right? So this was only the first part of the question. The second part they have asked, what would be the mass of that entire cylinder if it has a mass of, if the metal weighs 8 grams per centimeter cube, hai na? So we need to know the mass here. So if 1 centimeter cube is measuring 8 grams, how much centimeter cube you have? 11,440 centimeter cube will weigh how much? 11,440 multiplied with 8. So that will give you the weight in grams, because it is here given in grams. So you divide that by 1000, you will be getting that in kg. Good question, everyone? Yes? Yep. Okay. Yes. मेरा कल exam है. All the best, Sara. I'm sure you are going to rock it. Chalo, let's move on to the 14th question. 4 times the area of the curved surface area of a cylinder, 4 times the CSA of a cylinder is equal to 6 times the sum of the areas of its bases. A cylinder has a curved surface and has a base and a bottom. Hai na? So here they're telling that the area, or sorry, 4 times the curved surface is equals to 6 times the area of the top and the base. Top plus the base of the cylinder. So if the height is 12, they are asking you to find the curved surface area. So first, note down what is given here. What is the curved surface area ka formula? 2 pi RH. And what is the area of the base ka formula? Pi r square. Like that, how many bases you have? 2. Because you have top and bottom. So pi r square plus pi r square, which is 2 pi r square. Now let's write the condition that they have given. 4 times the curved surface area is equals to 6 times the sum of the area of the bases. So 4 times, what is the curved surface area? 2 pi RH is equals to 6 times 2 pi r square. 2 pi cancel हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे एक r, यहाँ पे एक r cancel हो जाएगा. So what are you left with? You're left with 2h is equals to 3r. So your r is equal to 2 by 3 multiplied with h. H is already given in the question. H का value already दिया है. Your h is 12 centimeters. So your r is equal to 2/3 of h, but h is 12. So here you got your r as 8 centimeters. But what is asked in the question? You have to find out the curved surface area, which is 2 pi r h. तो यहाँ से तो हमने r find out कर लिया है. H is already given to you. You can find out the curved surface area. ठीक है? So all that you have to do is form this relation. And forming this relation is the most easiest thing, because curved surface area का direct formula and sum of the areas of the bases is nothing but pi r square plus pi r square, because bases are in the shape of a circle. ठीक है? ठीक है? आप स्पॉन्सर करोगे उनका स्वयंवर? ठीक है. ठीक है, ठीक है. I'll tell this to Mohan sir, Krishna. चलो. The last and the most important question. Read it, everybody. Metallic discs of radius 0.75 centimeter and thickness 0.2 centimeter are melted to obtain 508.68 cubic centimeters of metal. Find the number of discs that are melted. So there is a metallic disc. ठीक है? There is a metallic disc which has a radius of 0.75 and a thickness of 0.2. So it clearly has become a small cylinder. है ना? It has become a small cylinder. Now this is melted to obtain this much of metal in volume. Now how many such discs were melted to get this? So what is that? Radius is given, thickness is given. So the total volume of the material which was used in forming or melting the disc is also given. Volume is given. You have to find the number of discs that were melted. So the material for one disc is nothing but the volume of the cylinder. Why? Because it has a radius and a thickness, right? So you can clearly say it is in the form of a cylinder, right? So it is 2 pi r square h. That is nothing but the volume of the cylinder. Now you here will find out what is the volume of one disc that you are melting. One metallic disc that you are melting. So the number of discs will become the total volume of metal obtained, that is 503.68, divided by the volume of one disc will give you the total number of discs. Something's gone in my eyes here. Do you take CBSE NCERT? Yes, Pratima, I take CBSE NCERT on YouTube also I have taken. Also on the Vedantu ka crash course also I'll be taking. ठीक है? तो आ जाना वहाँ पे. Happy Valentine's Day, Krishna, to you too. So yeah. So the number of discs that were melted is equal to total volume that we got divided by the volume of each disc. That is it. Okay? कृष्णा सरस्वत, आप बताओ प्रॉफिट या लॉस हुआ आपको? Awesome, awesome. चलो. So guys, it's time for your quiz and the code is 43245530. Let me check if it is the same code or not. Yeah, 43245530. Come on guys. Everybody. So before we move forward, let me talk about the last train to Busan, nahi, the last train to Vedantu, the last crash course. So the last batch is going to start today. इसके बाद कोई भी crash course का batch नहीं है वेदांतु पे. अगर आप इसके बाद join करना चाहते हो तो आपको बस recorded classes देखना पड़ेगा. तो फटाफट आज join कर लेना. Last batch आज शुरू होने वाला है. वहाँ पे we will be also giving you replay of the sessions. If you miss it, live classes के notes, assignments, tests, everything that you require to be prepared for your final exam, which is almost there, right? Now, do you see a winner in you? Well, we do. So something is coming up. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to the Vedantu's ka crash course. It is going on a very high, low discounts. Discounts are very high now. 10% ne almost 28% ka discount hai. And the entire course is only for 720 rupees. So the link is there in the description box or in the pinned comments. Live chat पे भी pinned है. Comments में भी pinned है. Right? So 720 rupees में आपको सारे subjects मिलेंगे. Live interactive classes. Unlimited with high level quizzes. Compete with students throughout the world. and you can also do an interactive replay. अगर आपका मानो मैथ्स एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गया है, साइंस एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हो गया है, तो आप क्या करोगे? You can always rely on the replays that we will be providing you. Always they will be there. You can do the assignments, downloadable notes, doubt solving during the class, and free and unlimited micro courses. So all you have to do is go to the description box of this video. So come on, if you haven't hit the like button yet, hit the like button. तो there is a video which is happening right now. ये वाला वीडियो जो हमारा अभी चल रहा है, इसके डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में अगर आप देखोगे, you can see crash course full syllabus Vedantu. So click on that. It will take you to this very beautiful website. यहाँ पे आप change कर सकते हो. If you are in from grade 7th, you can change to grade 7th also. Target CBSE, you can see 28% का discount है. With 900 rupees, you'll be getting classic, where you will be having doubt solving on the mobile app. So sometimes the teachers might not be available, है ना? So that time you can just click a photo and upload it. We will be taking care. सब कुछ रहेगा, टेस्ट, असाइनमेंट्स, नोट्स, डाउट सॉल्विंग, लाइव इंटरैक्टिव क्लासेस. All the teachers that you're seeing on the Vedantu platform, on the Vedantu Young Wonders का platform will be here. टाइम टेबल भी होगा आपका यहाँ पे, पूरा टाइम टेबल भी फिक्स्ड है. तो just go for it. This is the last chance, guys. Take it up. Take it up. ठीक है? So let's move forward with the quizzes here and the battle of the brains. The code is 43245530. Let me quickly tell this to your friends on the Telegram group. Do join the Telegram group. The link is there in the description box again. Let me quickly call in all your friends of the Telegram group. Till then, everyone, hurry up. Quickity, quickity, quick. Are you all ready? Awesome, awesome, awesome. 49 people have only joined. क्या हो रहा है ये? Pratima, thank you. Pratima is like करो बेशर्मो, like करो. Long time, Tanika. I'm doing great. How are you? Okay, board exam is going on. Please tell me what should I do. I'm very weak in maths. Bhavya, if you want to learn from us, you can join the crash course of Vedantu if you have time for that. Nahi hai, so I will just request you to stick to the topics that are important and keep revising them. There should be some strength of yours in maths topics, right? So just stick to that and practice a lot of questions so that you do not make a mistake from there. ठीक है? जो learn mensuration, जो comparing quantities, indirect and direct. So all the big chapters where long mark questions are definitely going to come, start with that. ठीक है? How to join Menti? Vaibhav, are you asking this question? Go to www.menti.com and वहाँ पे एक coupon code मिलेगा आपको. The coupon code, sorry, not coupon code, the code that you have to use here is 43245530. Quick. Are you all ready? I will start in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. You're taking Exemplar, can become most chapters are not yet taught in my school. Tanika, you can watch the replay of my sessions. I have done every chapter. Okay? Guys, in Menti, I have given few conceptual questions, very less solving questions because we have solved very good questions here, मतलब content में. तो मेंटी में मैंने कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं, लीडर बोर्ड चेंजिंग क्वेश्चन होगा ये, ध्यान से देखना. And let us see, majority of you have answered it wrong. Why? Everybody is going to get a virtual slap here. Two cylinders with equal volume always have equal surface area. ये किसने बोला आपको? हाँ? Who told you this? It's wrong. It's not necessary. If they have same volume, they will have the same surface area. It's wrong. ठीक है? Let us move forward with the leaderboard. Nice, nice, nice. So we have Krishna Saraswat. Then we have Ritesh Pokemon, High Five YH Pro, High Five. And then we have Jaspreet, Harshita, Maithili, Manasvi, High Five. Arshneet, ma'am, I won last mentee. I'm Tharan. Acha, that was Tharan. Okay, Tharan win this time also. I'm going to give you a shout out. Vaibhav, Rohila, and Super Brainy Thiru. Awesome. Let's move forward with the second question on your screen. And get a badge. Joel, that's not how you do it. Ma'am, in F is equal to MA, M stands for Mata Rani and A stands for Ata Rani. Two cylinders have the same volume. Two cylinders of the same volume have their radii in the ratio 1:6. Then what is the ratio of their heights? Volume same hai, but the radius are in the ratio 1:6. 1:6. You have to find the ratio of the heights. Okay, awesome, awesome. Here the answer is 3:1. How? The ratio of the radii is 1:6. Okay, let me do it here. Volume is 2 pi r square h. Sorry, not 2 here, sorry. Pi r1 square h1 by pi r2 square h2. है ना? So here pi will get cancelled. Radius are in the ratio 1:6. 1:6. What is this? R1 by R2 whole square is equals to 1/6 whole square. So here you will be having 1/36 multiplied with h1 by h2. So you want h1 by h2. So that will be equal to 36/1. You send 1/36 to the other side. It will become 36/1. That's it. ठीक है? So please be very careful. So we have Manasvi, high five. Tharan, super brainy. Thiru, Subhashri. Ma'am, you so cute look. Thank you, Subhashri. Then we have our Albert Einstein, Abhishek. Anshika Roy. I dil you too. Then we have Gayatri, Dhriti, and Krishna and Ritesh. Well done, everybody. And here we go with the third question. And there it is. Lame joke. OP Anshika. Chalo. Come on. The radius of a cylinder is r and height is h. Find the change in the volume if the height is doubled and the radius is halved. What will happen to the volume if the height is doubled and the radius is halved? Come on. अच्छा पता है कृष्णा आई नो तुक्का ओपी ऐसे मत करो तेजस्वी हाय मिनल and okay, so guys, when the height is doubled and the radius is half, then the volume will become half of the original one. How? Again, let us have a look here. यहाँ पे देखते हैं, ठीक है? तो what is that we have here? The height is doubling and your radius is become half. So original volume is pi r square h. Now when the height is doubled, the radius first will become r by 2 whole square multiplied with 2h, right? So pi multiplied with r square by 4 into 2h because the height is doubled. Cancel हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. So it is half multiplied with pi r square h. What is pi r square h? It is the original volume. So that's why I told you it will become half of the original volume. ठीक है? So let's look at the leaderboard. Let's look at the leaderboard. And look at that leaderboard changing question. We have Anshika Rai on the top, Albert Einstein. Then we have Manasvi, Taran, Tiru, Shubhashri, Arshneet, Lol, and then we have Harshita and Joel. Well done, well done. मैम कैस्पर और मेरे डॉग का कोलैब करवा रहे हो? अच्छा आइडिया है अंशिका, करवा सकते हैं हम कुत्तों का कोलैब. By the way, Casper is my dog, and Anshika also has a dog. So yeah, the volume of the cylinder whose radius is r is equal to its height is. When radius is equal to the height, then what will become the volume of the cylinder? Bhavya, I will definitely try. The next one is going to be data handling. Uske baad we will try with quadrilaterals. Okay? Okay. Amazing, amazing. So guys, when the volume will become, when the radius becomes equal to the height, so instead of pi r square h, it will become pi r square into r, which is pi r cube. That's it. So easy. Should I join the Menti? Mr. Raj, Shirley Raj, you are a bit late here, but you can still join if you want to. It's www.menti.com and the code is 43245530. My next class is going to be on Wednesday, 2 p.m. We're going to start with a new chapter, data handling, okay? Anshika Rai is still on the top. Then we have Abhishek, Taran, Tiru, Harshita, Gayatri, Topper, Hi-Fi, Vaibhav, Prasanna, and Arman. Let's move on with the last question. The leaderboard changing question. Here we go. Okay. Find the total surface area of a right circular cylinder of height h and the base radius 7 centimeters. Height is given, radius is given. You have to find the total surface area. Your dog's name is Steffi. That's a cute one. Tanika, thank you. Look who is on the top, Anshika. Are you going to maintain that? Are you going to get a shout out here? Ma'am, you're a BTS army. I love BTS songs, definitely. So maybe I'm an army. Do you come on Vedantu Math Pirate channel? No, Yuvishika. I only stay here in Vedantu Young Wonders. I teach here. Sana ma'am teaches in the other channel. Army forever. Let us look at the... Awesome. Look at that. Majority of you have got the correct answer. I'm so happy all of you have solved it in such short time. Is the leaderboard changing now? This is a very difficult one. Who is gonna win? Awesome. We have Anshika Rai finally winning the leaderboard. Well done. Congratulations everybody on the leaderboard. You people nailed it. So do not forget, the last batch is going to start today. So abhi ke abhi, the link is there in the description box. Join in. Homework question is also coming. Usse pehle, the next session is going to be on 16th of February, which is going to be what? Wednesday. Okay, we're going to start off with, rational numbers. Okay, rational numbers pura hum kar denge in one session. We will be doing the entire of rational numbers at 2 p.m. ठीक है? So yes, join the crash course for one last time. For this academic year, ये last course होने वाला है, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मज़ा आएगा. The link is there in the description box or in the pinned comments. 720 rupees में entire NCERT का revision होगा with doubt solving, live quizzes and interactive classes with the master teachers. ठीक है? So the link is there here. You can use the coupon code YHPRO. Pinned comments में link भी देख लो. So here we go with the homework. You have to find and tell me what is going to be the value of each of these emojis. Matlab, when you multiply this number into this number, you should be always getting a 1. How is that possible? So, and let me tell you a hint. All of them are natural numbers only. So like that, you have to tell me what is going to be the value of each of them. Put it in the comment section. Okay? So that was it, guys. You people who did an amazing job, and I'm going to see you again in the next class. Bye bye and take care.